Hey, this is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I'm at Fairway Escape. Let's do a quick video tutorial on the television that's here in the living room. And what we're going to do is just do a quick run through. This is an LG Smart TV. And I actually happen to own one of these myself, and I actually like it a lot. So this is the LG remote for the television. This is the cable one, which also has TiVo. And then we have the Samsung remote control for the DVD player. And the way that this functions is right here in the center you have the home button and Netflix and Amazon. So when you click on the home button, you have the menu that comes up. And then being able to use the arrow keys that are here, you can transition with all the little tabs for the different online aspects of what you want to be able to watch. If you have any of the Netflix Prime accounts, you can certainly watch that. Google, YouTube. The name for, or the tab, it basically just says Cable 1, and that's HDMI 1, so just in case you need to get there, that's available. So if you want to watch the DVD player, you click that. DVD is active, it's on, it's HDMI 4, which you really shouldn't have to worry about or concern yourself with, considering it's all been set up. And so back to home. If I want to switch and transition to Cable 1. Fairly straightforward, very easy to use. And if you have any further questions on what to do or what you need to do in order to be able to use the system here, you can give us a call in the office. And that's 208-634-0030. Enjoy yourselves while you're here in McCall at Fairway Escape. Cheers.